Hi dear lovers, how are you all? I'm so excited to share this to you today. We will gonna make a smoky eyes tutorial. So let's go. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe or hit the notification bell so you will be updated every time I will upload my new content. So at first we need concealer. Lagay natin siya sa eyes natin. This will be our base for our smoky eyes makeup. And then, sa baba, we need corrector or concealer. Kung ano yung whatever you have there. And then, i-blend lang natin siya. Ito is to avoid smudges. Later, malalaman nyo. So, we need to find the center of our eyes. And then, kuha lang tayo ng brown pencil. And then, imamark lang natin siya. After that, mag-draw tayo ng 2 layers, I mean. First is yung small. And then, the other one is bigger than the first one. So, first shade is ilalagay natin black kasi 2 shades lang yung gagawin natin ngayon, black and brown. And then sa second layer ilalagay natin is dark brown. So i-blend lang natin siya ng ganyan. And ibabrush natin upper, yung pagbabrush natin para ma-blend yung 'di ba naglagay tayo ng pencil. So ibabrush lang natin ng ganyan to blend it properly. Same with the black, i-blend din natin siya, brush natin siya ng ganyan. Upward. And then, brown yung ginamit natin sa second layer, no? Ilagay din natin siya sa eyelid natin using brush. And second naman is black. Black. Yung black ilalagay din natin sa eyelid natin. And yung sa top na eyelid, lagyan natin siya ng black na eyeshadow or eyebrow liner. And then yan, ibabrush natin. Tingnan nyo, walang dumi, walang smudges na galing sa eyeshadow, yung mga nahuhulog na part. So yun yung purpose ng corrector natin. And then, let's curl it with eyelash curler and then lagyan na rin natin ng mascara. This is optional naman. Nilagyan ko ng glitters. Optional to guys. Kung ayaw nyo, pwede namang hindi. Ayan na siya. Nilagyan ko na ng mascara yan. Then glitters. Tingnan nyo yung difference. Sa kabila meron, sa kabila wala. Pak! Sino ka dyan, Dance Phillips? Nilagyan ko na yan ng false eyelashes. Always remember, the beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Thank you for watching guys. Have a great day.